How to answer po, what if your manager gave you a task that's not in your duties or responsibilities? Kung call center situation, not part of your duties and responsibilities, ang question is, kaya mo ba? Kasi kung hindi mo kaya, you need training, you need guidance. So kung hindi mo kaya, i-communicate mo na hindi mo kaya yung task, pero you're willing to learn, you're willing to do it, just teach me. Kung wala siyang time mag-train, give me some time, i-research ko para matutunan kong gawin. Yun lang naman yan eh, kung call center agent ka, salaried ka. Yung bayad sa'yo is kung ano yung start ng oras mo, yung tapos ng bayad sa'yo is yung tapos ng oras mo. And in a lot of reputable call center companies, allowed naman ng overtime. So if they gave you a task that's not part of your duties and responsibilities, magfa-fall yan under overtime, so opportunity yan for you to earn more money. At the same time, kaya kanya binibigyan, ang attitude mo should also be different. Yung kaya kanya binibigyan ng additional thing to do is because may tiwala siya sa'yo. Kasi alam mo, as a manager, hindi pa ako ganong katagal na manager, pero one of the struggles na na-encounter ko as a manager is ang hirap magtiwala sa tao. Kasi parang simple task, hindi gagawin. Simple task, hindi babasahin. Tinanong mo ba't hindi ginawa, ang sagot nakalimutan. Sobrang nakakapikon when you're delegating, when you hire people. Parang naisip mo, nag-aral naman to, nakatapos naman ng high school, nakatapos ng college, pero pag kinausap mo, parang ang labo. So, it's difficult. Kung binibigyan ka ng task, ibig sabihin, may tiwala sa'yo, pinagkakatiwalaan ka. And that's an opportunity for you to prove that you are a good person for the job.